Well, she went on Instagram Live and basically said that he shot her and, even showed pictures of the bullet fragments in her foot and so forth. From what I understand, that Instagram Live is now part of the case, right? That's going to be played in court and she'll have to take the stand and she'll either have to change her story and said, I was lying, or she has to say, no, that's actually what happened, right? Or else, she could potentially have perjury charges against her if she tries to change her story based on what she told the officers at some point as well. Am I correct on that?
Yeah, she's pot committed. She's been making all sorts of statements. He shot me. How could you let this guy be out? Or how could you guys support this, abuser of women? And then that whole live where she went into a diatribe. It's not just perjury. She could face a defamation lawsuit from Daystar Peterson, Mr. Tory Lanez. He could absolutely, if he beats this trial and it comes out that all of her statements about him shooting her are just not true, the jury finds that in fact he did not shoot her, then that's a defamatory statement. And that's worth a whole lot of money for a guy, Tory Lanez, who has been blackballed by the industry. I mean, I could go in there with an expert and say, hey, how much did you expect Tory Lanez to sell on his first day before this news came out? What playlist did you expect Tory Lanez to appear on before this news came out? And how much did he actually sell? What playlist did he actually make? He's lost a lot because of what's happened here. And a lot of those damages are quantifiable. They're big. And if ultimately this case goes to trial and he shows that he did not shoot her, it's not just perjury, it's defamation.
Okay. And of course, Megan Thee Stallion has a large verifiable income. So going after Meg, you could actually get some money out of that situation. But it comes down to who shot her. Did she shoot herself? Did her female friend shoot her? Did the security guard shoot her? Like, it doesn't really make any sense from my point of view, outside, that's different from her actual story. But then again, I mean, I wasn't there, so I don't know.
I wasn't there and I don't know. As lawyers, we have to find, a branch that we can hang on to. And if I'm the defense lawyer, I'm just hanging on to one branch, which is I got two witnesses saying that the way this victim says it went down is not how it went down. And that's a lot. That's enough for if I was his lawyer to say, we're not taking this plea.
Well, there you go. Guess we'll see what happens.